The top 5 reasons to buy the Elion Lai LANcool 216 Case 1. Exceptional airflow. The LANcool 216 features all-around mesh panels, including a continuous front-to top mesh design, ensuring optimal airflow for your components. 2. Powerful cooling. This case comes pre-installed with two 160mm PWM fans at the front and a 140mm PWM fan at the rear, providing impressive cooling performance right out of the box. 3. A versatile configuration. The modular rear panel allows you to optimize the case for either air cooling or water cooling, giving you flexibility in your build. 4. Innovative design. The LANcool 216 includes a unique rear PCIe fan bracket, enhancing airflow around your graphics card for improved performance. 5. Customizable RGB lighting. The RGB version comes with ARGB fans, featuring 2 channels of LEDs, allowing for stunning visual effects that can be controlled via your motherboard's lighting software. The Elion Lai LANcool 216 is the perfect choice for builders who demand both style and substance. Upgrade your gaming rig today with the Elion Lai LANcool 216 ATX PC case.